to hop on here and give a quick review of this floodlight. The brand is Gardenreet, and it is an outdoor floodlight. So let's go ahead and unbox this and I can show you what it all comes with. First thing you'll see when you open the box is the actual light. This material is die-cast aluminum, which means it is super sturdy, it's super waterproof, it's wind resistant, so it's going to be able to withstand any type of weather that you have in your house. And the arm of the light is actually adjustable, so you'll just use a screwdriver and twist it to loosen it, and then adjust the arm to whatever direction you want it to. And it's also going to come with an adjustable shade panel, which is the same material, and you'll go ahead and connect it on the top of this, and then you'll be able to adjust it either down or up depending on where you want the light to be shown. It also comes with the stake that you're going to be able to put into the ground and screw the actual light into. And then it also comes with your tools that you need, so it has your like electrical caps and some little screws so you can install it correctly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed and we will show you what it looks like when it's installed. Alrighty, the first thing you're gonna do with your light is thread the wire through the stake. Just go ahead and pull those through. Super simple. Just like that. And then you just simply twist the stake onto the arm of the light. Like that. Alrighty, now you can see that the light is on and it is so bright, it is so illuminating. I am loving how it is just casting this light onto my flower beds, and you can see I have the light shade on there to help it be more direct to where I want it to be, and it is just a really great product, so I definitely recommend.